Hello friends, in this video we will be learning how to set a reminder for an email in Microsoft Outlook. You can follow these steps depending on the version of Outlook. Setting a reminder ensures you don't forget important actions related to emails, and it helps in managing tasks more effectively. For an existing email, 1. Open Outlook and go to your inbox. 2. Right-click on the email you want to set a reminder for. 3. Select Follow Up from the menu. Choose a predefined option like today, tomorrow, next week, or custom to set a specific date and time. 5. If you want to set a reminder as well after selecting custom, check the box for reminder and select the date and time for the reminder. Click OK. You will now receive a reminder notification for that email. For a new email, 1. Compose your email. 2. In the ribbon at the top, click on Follow Up. 3. Select Add Reminder. Choose your desired follow-up date and time and check the reminder box. 5. Set the time for when you want the reminder to pop up. 6. Click OK and then send the email. Now, you can flag emails for follow-up where you can manage follow-up reminders. Thanks for watching the video.